Hi viewers, welcome back everyone. Bittorrent, BTTC, BTT coin, basic information, important technical analysis, price, prediction update, forecast, quick update. Bittorrent last 24-hour time of recording. Good pumping, 27% price increase jump. Current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading above stable coin zone. Currently trading above stable coin. Binance listed coin trading Binance. RSI indicator near overbought position. Currently, Bittorrent last 1 month performance performing 16 days positive growth, 16 days pumping days, 53% performance last 1 month. Bittorrent price volatility 5%, 5% medium volatility last 1 month. 24-hour trading volume 287 million, market cap 1.17 billion, market dominance BTTC 0.05%. Last 24-hour trading volume increase 280%. Bittorrent last 24-hour trading volume increase 280%. Bittorrent highest price, high cycle 0.05 2173. Hold profitable. New bits by entry trade point 0.005 1235. 0.005 1235 new bits by entry trade point. Hold profitable. Current circulating supply 970 trillion BTT. Out of supply 990 trillion BTT. Current AD supply inflation rate 2%. It means 17 trillion BTT created last 1 year. 2% AD supply inflation rate 17 trillion BTT created last 1 year. BTTC last 1 year price increase of 150%. Bittorrent 43 cryptocurrency exchange listed. 64 pairs, Binance listed coin, trading Binance, KuCoin by BitOKX, Get.io, Mixi, famous cryptocurrency exchange listed, Canada's more exchanges listing. BTTC price predictions into been bullish. 25 technical analysis indicator, signaling bullish buy signals, and 5 signaling bearish, sell signal, currently bullish. Currently RSI indicator, relative strength index momentum value around 60-70 indicates Bittorrent BTTC coin market near overbought position. Price will increase rise around 60-70. Exact result, technical analysis. Currently trading above stable coin. Trading above zone, stable coin, sign of stability. Bullish. 200 SMA simple moving average. EMA exponential moving average trading above. Currently 15 SMA EMA bullish. Short term trending zone. Currently daily SMA EMA 21.1053 bullish. Bittorrent BTTC coin market recent trending. Weekly SMA EMA 150.21 bullish. It means Bittorrent BTT weekly above. Overall technical indicators sentiment bullish. Support level entry points 0.005 1035, 0.006 9575. And strongest support level entry point 0.006 9025. Strongest support level entry point 0.006 9025. Resistance levels 0.005 1235, 0.005 1315, and 0.005 1475. Resistance level. Based on Bittorrent BTTC coin forecast, current technical indicators sentiment overall bullish. Trading above zone, stable coin, long-term trending zone. Near overbought position, price momentum upside, price will increase rise. Binance listed coin trading Binance, it means good investment, exact time investment, new bits by entry trade point 0.005 1235, 0.005 1235, bits by entry trade point. Hold mid-term, short-term profitable. Bittorrent, BTTC, BTT coin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more latest videos, update forecast. Goodbye.